Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. I know I'm a little late to show you my design team package, but it's only a day, so hopefully you can forgive me really quick. So I have received my design team package, and we always get it before the 1st, but I always like to reveal my package on the 1st. So this month I ordered mainly paper because, oh my gosh, the paper that they have is just amazing. And I know there's a glare, and I'm trying to, so you know, this light is not gonna, if I turn it off, it's gonna be worse. Yeah. So anyway, I ordered the Golden Coast by Prima, and oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So let me open this up first of all, so you can see. I wanted to show you the paper, and it's gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm gonna cut into my actual paper. Sorry, I thought it was ready. Okay. So it is it's a coastal paper, but it's got these beautiful pinks and greens and blues, and oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So here is a cut apart page. Beautiful, beautiful. And then it is double-sided. I'm going to turn it this way, guys, so you can see both sides. And look at this. Oh my gosh, the pink crabs and the pink life jacket, or life ring, floaty ring, you know, that thing. So there's this. Okay, so it looks like we're going to get 4 pages of the same design. So there's the first 4, and this is the second one. How pretty is this, guys? Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. There's that pink crab, the pink shells. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. So the back of that one is this right here, and that's a, you know, like a map. That is beautiful. And here's the next page. It's got some gold foiling on there. Oh, the little seahorses. Those are so pretty. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. And the back of that one is, look at these sailboats, pink and blue. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. And then here's the next page. Oh, that is so pretty. It's got, again, the gold foiling. It's got the, you know, the underwater, the seaweed stuff. Oh my goodness, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, it's even got a hot air balloon that looks great on there. Beautiful. So let's see what the back of that looks like. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. It's got a like a map underneath, and it's got the blue and pink stripes going across. Beautiful. And then here's another map page. Oh, and I'm assuming that is like the water bodies and stuff. I don't know, but it is beautiful. Let me put my glasses on. Yeah, it's just a regular map. It's Pacific Ocean, and oh yeah, that's pretty. Very, very pretty. And here's that seahorse. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. And this one also has the pink, or I'm sorry, the gold foiling. See what that looks like on the back. Oh, how pretty. Beautiful green colors. And then here's another cut apart page. And this one also has some gold foiling on there. That is pretty. And then the back of that one, it is gorgeous, gorgeous. Sorry guys, I have all kinds of stuff on my table. Gorgeous pink flowers with the green leaves, and oh, it's a beautiful collection, guys. You should head on over to ASC and see what they have. They have some gorgeous, gorgeous paper. Okay, so that was my first one. Now, the second one that I got was this other. We are in summer, so let me open this for you and tell you what this is. This is from Ciao Bella, and it is called Sound of Summer. Beautiful. Look at that. You know, and I'm not much into, you know, coastal nautical themes, but this is so pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna make with it, but it is beautiful. And this one is one each of 8 double-sided papers. Ciao Bella. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at the back of that one. Isn't that gorgeous? It's got the alphabet here. Yeah, that's beautiful. And then oh, the anchors and the little sailboats. Oh, look at this. I love that. You know, I love my wood plank paper. So that one's beautiful. And then here's another one with the blue seahorses, the starfish, and all kinds of words on there. Beautiful. Oh, isn't this pretty? Oh my goodness. That is so pretty. And then look at this one with the clocks. You know what, guys? I have started making something and I needed a clock. I think I'm going to use one of these. I'll see what it looks like. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful. Look, it even has the little hands on there. You can attach it with like a brad and have them spin. Here's some more. So all the clocks have a little hand, you know, a little set of hands. How pretty. Oh, I love that. And then some more wood planks. Oh, look at the seagulls. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. That looks so, man, that looks pretty. Oh, I love that. And then here's the thinner wood planks. And look at this one. Oh, I love this one. All of them are so pretty. That's pretty. But look at this one. Oh my goodness, I love that. And then this one, oh, pretty. Look at all the fish, blue and white. Seashells of different colors. Starfish. Very pretty. Regular seashells. Oh my goodness, you can use this page for just about anything. And this is the last page. And oh, look at that. It's got all those beautiful clocks on there. I love it, guys. I hope you liked it because I love it. I just love going through, I love paper. And I love going through ASC because they have so many different kinds. So, this is the last paper pads that I ordered, and I got the paper pad with, you know, with the designs on it, and then I got the one with the backgrounds because I plan to make a mini album with this. I'm not sure what theme it's gonna have, but we were gonna take my daughter out next month for a mini vacation, and I kind of want to use this one. So my daughter wants to go to Memphis, and we're not sure if we can take her yet, just because where my husband works, they have a list of states that if they go on vacation to those states, they have to stay home for 2 weeks afterwards. And we're not sure if Memphis is on there. So if it is, we're going to have to pick something else. But anyway, so I thought, isn't this the greatest compliment to a Memphis mini album? You know, since it was during the time when Elvis was really big, she wants to go visit Graceland. So we're not sure yet, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a try, hopefully. Anyway, so here is our paper pack. And oh, this is also, of course, from Ciao Bella. And this is so pretty. This is gorgeous. I love that. Or maybe it's just me. Maybe it was from my time. But anyway, so there's the back of that one. And of course we can use these as cut aparts. And look at this girl. She is just feeling groovy. Beautiful. You know, orange is not my color, but I mean, I know it was a really big color back then. So I still think they're gorgeous. The pinballs, the bowling. Yeah, I remember all of that. And then here's the back of that one, all the funky patterns and colors that we used to put together. And look at this little bug. Isn't he cute? Oh, love, peace, joy, and the iconic peace van, flower power, give peace a chance. Oh, the peace sign. I love all the colors. And this is, man, this would be pretty for like an actual layout. Oh my goodness. I just love all the old appliances and, you know, the round light. I remember those. The green. Oh, how do I remember that green? And then the back of that one, and then this one with all the music. It says Revolution on the top. Oh, all the old equipment. I'm sure that it still looks something like that. And that is beautiful. Woodstock. Oh, I don't remember Woodstock, but yeah, apparently it was something big. And there's that one. I kind of like that. I like that green. And then here's a cut apart page. This one is roller disco. Oh, I remember that. I love the 70s. Oh, when everything was so much safer, and at least it was for me. And there's the back of that one. And here's all the boom boxes. Look at that. Oh man, I remember we had one very, very similar to this one. Oh, just takes you back in time. And then here's another one with the patterns on it. And then here's another cut apart page. I just love that little bug. Beautiful. The lava lamp. Oh, the round phone. Oh, I remember that. Beautiful. It's another pretty page. And look at this, guys. Do you guys remember the disco ball? I know we still have them around, but I mean, they were like really, really big, and they were something to look at back then. The skates, I remember going skating, and oh, it was so much fun. Oh my gosh, this. Guys, we used to live in a place that had carpeting like this. I mean, it was awful. And here's the last page, and oh, this one's the, you know, you can cut this and use this as ephemera. I'm going to try to put this one through my brother's scan and cut. I keep saying that about all of them, but I'm really going to I'm going to do this one because I have special plans for it. So that was the Flower Power, or what is it? The 70s from Ciao Bella. But then I also ordered the background papers because, you know, I'm not sure exactly what kind. I'm not sure exactly what kind of album I'm going to make, what size or anything. So I thought, let me go ahead and get the background paper as well. Here's the background paper. Here's that. Okay, let's see what this one has. Again, one each of 8 double-sided papers. And here's that one. Oh, this one's like that first one's got the letters, the alphabets, but this one doesn't have the small. The other one I think had the lowercase. This ones are all uppercase. And here is a page that, oh, that's pretty. Cut it up by 6 by 6, and you can have, you know, a spot without cutting into the actual, you know, squares there. That's so pretty. And then look at this background. How cute is that? And then the flowers. That's so pretty. There's the back of that one. And then this one, look at this page. Oh, that's so pretty. And then the back of that one. That reminds me of something that used to be on a van. The van used to have some kind of design like that. And then these are, these are the cassette tapes. Oh, how cool is that? All kinds of cassette tapes on that one. The back of that one. And then this one. I want to say this was a very popular design as well. There's the back of that one. And then the circles, browns and greens. Oh, that's pretty. And look at that. That is so pretty. And this is the last page. Brown tones. And oh, that's cool. That's a fun page. So that is going to be a fun paper pad to work with. And the last thing I ordered, guys, is this right here. So this has a lot of pieces in it, and I thought I would put this together with you guys, but it's gonna have to be in several, it'll have to be in several videos, because look at all those, look at all these, let me take it out. Look at all these pieces that it has. So we'll put this together, and I like that they're numbered and lettered, and so I mean, but it's like a lot of pieces. I haven't seen what exactly how to put it together, but I'm sure this is probably for the mini album and the pieces that go with it. Oh, it's got instructions, I think. Yeah, we'll see what that is. And then it's got more pieces. So it's a lot of pieces, guys. So I'm gonna put that aside because I don't want to drop it, or you know. So this is, well, in Spanish it says cartonaje con arte. Yeah, it's a sweet box, and yeah, it makes you a little mini album, and the storage box to go with it. And it says there's a tutorial available, but it also has instructions inside. So there's a lot of stuff written in Spanish. It's a good thing I know how to read Spanish. So it looks like for this we need, of course, glue. We need I'm guessing that's gel medium, some paper adhesive, and scrapbooking paper. Maybe I should get some paper adhesive, you know, that tape. Oh, there we go. It's got it over here in English. So we glue the cardboards, and I guess that's where the paper comes in. That I don't know what it's called, that paper tape. Yeah, so we're gonna have to do this together, guys, and we can I'm sure it makes a beautiful set. All right, guys, so we're gonna do this together, okay? And then it does also have these instructions. Not exactly sure. Oh, okay, it does have instructions. It gives you a a list of what pieces you should have, and then on the back it gives you a list of instructions. Okay, so we will put this together, guys, and yeah, hopefully I don't know what paper pad I'm going to use for it, because I don't know how much paper it requires. Maybe I will use this one. This is so pretty. I may use this paper for that. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed what I've shown you, and you head on over to ASC Crafts and you know, go in there and take a look and see what you might want. And don't forget to use the coupon code that I will provide for you. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day, guys. Thank you.